TCU hosting Kansas, and that line's on the move. Both teams fresh off victories here. Kansas, forget about Teddy, you being under the weather here. Kansas a little bit banged up and trying to give it a go. Had a nice win on Saturday, but now take their time on the road and head down the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If we take a look at the lines here, opened up at 2, now shifting to -3. Over-under currently sitting at 148.5 for this one. Moneyline split +130, -150. What gives here in this? Kansas, it's one thing to play in the fog and be, a little bit undermanned to get that will from the crowd. Now you're going on the road in a conference opponent here. What are we looking at?
I mean, we have to call Kansas at least a modest disappointment. Mm-hmm. I mean, they haven't been as elite as expected this season. They've certainly been struggling on the highway. In fact, they're 0-4 straight up, 0-4 ATS. Their last 4 on the road, losing at K-State, Texas, Kentucky, and West Virginia.